Fiat has taken the wraps off its latest creation, the LA-inspired Fiat 500e, a stylish electric vehicle designed to captivate urban commuters and eco-conscious drivers alike. With its eye-catching exterior paint and distinctive two-tone interior, the Fiat 500e aims to electrify sales and make a statement in the increasingly competitive electric vehicle market. The LA-inspired Fiat 500e draws inspiration from the vibrant culture and iconic landmarks of Los Angeles, one of the world's most dynamic and influential cities. The vehicle's exterior paint options pay homage to the city's eclectic street art scene and sun-drenched landscapes, with bold colors and striking contrasts that reflect the spirit of LA living. From electric blue to sunset orange, the Fiat 500e offers a range of color choices that allow drivers to express their individuality and embrace the energy of urban life. Each paint option is meticulously curated to evoke a sense of excitement and adventure, inviting drivers to embark on a journey of sustainable mobility with style and flair. Inside the Fiat 500e, the LA-inspired theme continues with a luxurious two-tone interior that exudes sophistication and comfort. Premium materials and attention to detail create an inviting ambience that complements the vehicle's dynamic exterior styling. The interior features a combination of rich leather and textured fabrics, with contrasting colors and intricate stitching that add depth and character to the cabin. From the ergonomic seats to the intuitive dashboard layout, every aspect of the interior is designed to enhance comfort and convenience for both drivers and passengers. Beyond its stylish aesthetics, the Fiat 500e delivers impressive performance and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for urban commuting and city living. Powered by an advanced electric drivetrain, the Fiat 500e offers instant torque and smooth acceleration, ensuring a responsive and engaging driving experience. With zero emissions and low operating costs, the Fiat 500e is not only environmentally friendly but also cost-effective to own and maintain. Its compact size and nimble handling make it well-suited for navigating crowded city streets and tight parking spaces, while its ample range ensures worry-free driving for daily commutes and weekend getaways. As Fiat's first foray into the electric vehicle market, the 500e represents a bold step forward for the brand, signaling its commitment to innovation and sustainability. By combining stylish design with cutting-edge technology, Fiat aims to appeal to a new generation of drivers who prioritize both form and function in their vehicles. The Fiat 500e is equipped with a range of advanced features and connectivity options, including smartphone integration, voice commands, and a touchscreen infotainment system. These technologies not only enhance the driving experience but also enable drivers to stay connected and informed on the go. The LA-inspired Fiat 500e represents a stylish and sustainable approach to urban mobility, combining eye-catching design with eco-friendly performance. With its unique paint options, two-tone interior, and advanced electric drivetrain, the Fiat 500e is poised to electrify sales and make a lasting impression on drivers seeking a stylish and environmentally conscious vehicle. As Fiat continues to innovate and expand its electric vehicle lineup, the 500e serves as a symbol of the brand's commitment to shaping the future of mobility. With its blend of style, performance, and sustainability, the Fiat 500e is sure to turn heads and make a positive impact on city streets around the world.